Welcome to my channel, and hi to all lovely ladies. In this video you will find 2 ingredients for enhance your beauty: coffee and aloe vera for face and body. Take a small amount of coffee, add aloe vera in it, make a fine paste and apply on face for 10 to 15 minutes. It is beneficial to get rid of dark circles and brighten the skin. Massage a small amount of cellulite and stretch marks to increase circulation and smooth the skin. Coffee and jojoba oil. Mix coffee and jojoba. Make a fine, liquidy paste. Just apply the oil on your hair and scalp and massage it in for few minutes. Leave the oil on about 10 to 20 minutes or overnight before you shampoo it off. Coffee shampoo. Add a few drops of oil to the shampoo while you wash your hair to strengthen the hair follicles. I hope you like the ideas which I collect for you. Kindly subscribe the channel and share it to your friends and family.